Did you know that about 90% of all new YouTubers fail within the first year? Shocking, right? It's a hard pill to swallow, but it's the cold, hard truth. This reality stems from a myriad of reasons, but we've sifted through the noise and pinpointed 5 significant pitfalls that many beginner YouTubers stumble into. Yes, you heard it right. 5 mistakes that could be the difference between your channel soaring in popularity or sinking into obscurity. From neglecting audience engagement, inconsistent content, overlooking the power of SEO, to compromising on audio and video quality, and even undervaluing the importance of captivating thumbnails and titles. Each of these could spell doom for your YouTube dreams. But don't worry, we're here to help you sidestep these blunders and set you on the path to YouTube success. Stay tuned as we unravel these mistakes and equip you with the knowledge to beat the odds. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The first cardinal sin many beginners commit is ignoring audience engagement. It's easy to get caught up in the thrill of producing content and forget that there's a whole world of interaction happening in the comments section, in the likes and shares. Now, why is this so important? First off, audience engagement is one of the key factors that YouTube's algorithm uses to rank videos. When your audience is actively interacting with your content, it signals to YouTube that your content is valuable and it should be promoted. Secondly, engaging with your audience builds a sense of community. When you take the time to respond to comments, you're showing your audience that you value their opinions and insights. This can foster a sense of loyalty and make your viewers more likely to stick around and watch more of your content. But what happens when you ignore audience engagement? Well, your videos may get lost in the sea of content on YouTube. Without that crucial interaction, your content could be overlooked by the very algorithm designed to help it reach more viewers. And from a community standpoint, ignoring engagement can make your audience feel unappreciated. They may start to drift away, seeking out content creators who are more responsive and engaged. So, don't let your videos become a one-sided conversation. Embrace the dialogue that YouTube facilitates. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and nurture the community that forms around your content. Remember, YouTube is a community, not a one-man show. The second pitfall to avoid is inconsistency in content. Picture this. You're watching a show that you love, but suddenly the characters change, the storyline takes a weird turn, and the episodes are released sporadically. Chances are you'd lose interest, right? Well, the same applies to your YouTube channel. Your viewers subscribe to your channel for a reason. They're drawn to your unique style, your specific theme, and they want to see more of the same. If you deviate from this, you risk alienating your audience. Consistency is not only about sticking to your theme, but it's also about regular uploads. A sporadic posting schedule can be just as damaging as inconsistent content. Imagine subscribing to a newspaper that only gets delivered once in a blue moon. You'd probably cancel your subscription, wouldn't you? The same goes for YouTube. If your subscribers don't know when to expect new content, they may lose interest and move on to more reliable channels. And remember, consistency doesn't mean you can't experiment or evolve. It's about keeping a solid core that your audience can recognize and relate to, while still bringing something fresh to the table. So whether you're making videos about cooking, gaming, or fashion, stick to your guns. Keep your content consistent and your upload schedule regular. Consistency is key in the YouTube world. Make it your mantra. Mistake number 3, neglecting SEO. You know, the world of YouTube is a crowded one, and standing out isn't always a matter of having the best content. Sometimes it's about playing the game, and a big part of that game is SEO, or search engine optimization. This is how you get your videos in front of the right eyes. Think of SEO as the secret language of YouTube. It's how you tell the platform what your content is about, who it's for, and why it deserves to be seen. Keywords, descriptions, and tags are your best friends here. They're like the clues in a treasure hunt, leading viewers straight to your content. But if you ignore SEO, you're essentially whispering in a crowd. Your voice gets lost, your content goes unseen, and your channel struggles to grow. So remember, SEO isn't just a bunch of tech jargon. It's your secret weapon to being discovered on YouTube. Don't neglect it. The fourth mistake is compromising on audio and video quality. Now let's get this straight. If your content is a gold mine of information, but the quality is poor, viewers will likely click away. No one wants to strain their eyes or ears trying to decipher what's going on. Quality isn't just about fancy equipment. It's about clarity and accessibility. See, you don't need Hollywood-grade gear to produce good content. But investing in a decent microphone and camera can significantly enhance your video's appeal. Remember, your content should be easy to consume and enjoyable. And don't forget about editing. It's essential in creating a seamless viewing experience. Choppy transitions, sudden audio jumps, or unbalanced lighting can distract from your message. Spend time learning basic editing techniques or consider hiring a professional. To wrap it up, quality should never be an afterthought. It's a key component of viewer retention and overall channel success. Quality matters, don't compromise on it. The fifth and final mistake is overlooking the power of thumbnails and titles. Now, if you're thinking, what's the big deal about thumbnails and titles anyway? Well, let's put it this way. You've made a fantastic video, but if your title and thumbnail aren't enticing enough, it's like having a blockbuster movie with a dull poster. No one's going to buy a ticket. Your title and thumbnail are essentially your video's first impression. They're the bait that hooks viewers in. A catchy title and an engaging thumbnail can skyrocket your views, while a lackluster one can make your video fade into the background. They're a crucial part of your video's success, and overlooking them can be costly. Remember, people are scrolling through hundreds of videos every day. You need something that stands out, something that catches the eye. So, take the time to create compelling titles and thumbnails. Your thumbnail and title are your movie poster. Make them count. There you have it, the 5 common mistakes that can make or break your YouTube success. We've dissected the surprising reality of YouTube failure, which often stems from ignoring audience engagement. Remember, your viewers are your community. Interact with them, appreciate them. We've also highlighted the issue of inconsistent content. Consistency is key in this game, so keep your content regular and relevant. Neglecting SEO was our third pitfall. Optimizing your content for search engines will help you reach a wider audience. We've discussed the importance of audio and video quality too. No one enjoys poor quality content. Make sure yours is top-notch. Lastly, we've emphasized the significance of thumbnails and titles. They're your first impression. Make it count. Avoid these mistakes, and you're on your way to a successful YouTube journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this.